out.
Yeah, deal with General.
Yeah, man, you good?
Yeah, man. A long time I don't see you on the internet. Me, I wonder what really are going on.
Yeah, we
And
kind
the
of busy,
election
but
time, I know when they should have hot up the thing.
yeah, man, we kind of busy, but you know, we have to be active again. Can we go live today? Yeah, so we're active up the thing again, yeah?
Yeah, man. Because you know a campaign thing. Because it make me join the thing. Because, you know, he's a working man still respond me there. But me see say, you know, one and two people drop out and one and two people, you know, under fight. Because I tell them I just come out and me under peer restriction. And me start my live restriction. Because, you know, them start
Yeah, no.
report. Yeah, man. But all is well, differently.
All is well, my boss. There I go and hold it, you know?
Yeah, man.
See me can kick
I know
off back.
Westmoreland be there. I go and show them where market G today in idea, yeah.
Yes, man, because that the meeting they go on today, right?
Yeah. Down in the
Yeah.
Westmoreland.
Yeah, Westmoreland meeting today.
Dwayne Vaz and Ian Hales people them.
Yes, yes. My meeting on Sunday I come. Mandeville mass meeting.
Mandeville?
Yeah, man, mass meeting.
Okay.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, the
13 parish.
24th.
Yeah, 24. The 13 parish I drop a Mandeville.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, this will go mad. Yeah, but me like how the ground look still, you know?
Huh?
Me like me like how it look right around the island. For the
Yeah, man,
PNP.
PNP look good, man.
Even at Portland, look shaky for the labor right.
May I tell you? Let's go and talk. May I start out something, yeah?
Yeah, man, cause it surprised me to see Doreen Campbell bring out so much people. It's gonna be a hard fight. And we can't expect anything election night. Right now, if we count the 14 parishes, the Jamaica Labour Party don't win a parish, can't win a parish out of the 14. They may draw one at St. Thomas, 1-1 in a St. Thomas, and 1-1 in a Portland. The other 12 gone to the People's National Party. And me can't
Continue to live
understand.
the life, peeps.
You know, me can't understand this. Me can't understand the latest poll.
No, man, Andrew, them a try help, you know, but
Yeah. It's
there is
a
no,
strategic poll.
yeah,
'Cause
yeah.
you see if you have sense and you watch this
Yeah, man,
thing,
them a try help him because them say him drop rapidly in a poll. Yeah, and if them tell the young people them say boy, him not no forward, the young people them not go vote for him.
but let me tell you still, I think him want to bring out a poll, but you see the political heightness, he might try safeguard himself. You
Yeah.
see, if him come out with a lead as if PNP a lead, he might go under enough pressure. Enough people are gonna see him and cuss him. Even see the Prime Minister come out there already and say him no believe in a Dan Anderson poll, but him they believe it all along when it a poll for him coming up from 2016.
Yes, man. When they tell him saying creep up on Porsche, he need happy to hear that. When they tell him 2020 say him a lead, he happy to hear that. But now you know want to hear some Mark Walling a lead. Mark Walling to me have a 7% lead.
7.5% lead.
I'm telling
Not
you.
holding out.
Yeah, man, you have it,
And
man.
it's when you go to school and you have sense, you can see certain things and you know it for yourself. If you do your own poll from where you see, all right. If
Yes,
that man
man.
listen say, if that man listen say him go around the world and him go around Jamaica, I mean, and do the 14 parish, him interview in the whole 14 parish, him interview 1,500 people. And from the 1,500 people, him take away and add whatever making percentage. Now, if you look on the campaign of the People's National Party, over say even the last 3 months, going around the whole 14 parish into some constituency where them not go for go poll. When you see the turnout, it is more than 600, 700, 800 people at all times.
Yeah, man, PNP a clock 1,000 more every local gathering.
Yeah, far more, but that at the least me put it seven, eight
Yeah,
hundred people at
because
least.
yes, man. Can remember me dad had meeting, you know, me observe, very observant. I'm still what going.
If them go to St. James, them go and get in a spot meeting, them go and get more than 4,000 or 5,000
Continue
people.
to light the life, peeps.
You come under one restriction already.
Yeah, man. Just go and hold it. Just go and hold it. Cause me come to burn some fire, you know.
Yeah, man.
Continue
So
to
you're
light
there
the
for
life,
live,
peeps.
you're live.
Huh?
So you're there for you're live now?
Yeah, man. All right.
Okay.
Good night, Jamaica. Good night to the people in the diaspora. We did it. We asked for an election and we got it. So now is the time to execute. It is execution style now. Just like how Alkaline say, execution style. Good night. Big up to all of the person them in the diaspora. All of my local them. Big up to the blood and fire comrade. Now, when you guys go out, polling station open at 7 and it close at 5. Now, by 12 o'clock when we are eat lunch, most, at least 3/4 of Jamaica should vote PNP at that time. Because why? We're attacking it PD by PD now. PD by PD now. So we are attacking it. So we're supposed to know in our PD who won that PD by 12 o'clock, the most. How we can achieve this? We don't have to start vote from 7 o'clock. PD is your little community. Your little community where you're in. So if you live in another lane there and 200 people in a lane, we want 120 out of that lane there. Vote PNP. That means we would have win the lane there. And so we attack the election. Just like how we attack it in the local election, is the same method. PD by PD. Don't focus on the big picture.
Watch the comments.
Hold on a second, mute that. Don't focus on the big picture. Your district, someone is Kerry, is giving you guys the correction correct word for it. District. You know, some people might just say that they ain't lane. You know what I mean? But your district, yeah. So every district have a line. So your line, you have to make sure so you go vote early. Pull your family member them, pull them out. Get them to vote early so that you can win your district, your lane early. So by 4 o'clock, Mark Golding supposed to know, say he is the next Prime Minister of Jamaica. By 4 p.m. on the 3rd of September, Mark Golding should know if he is the next Prime Minister of Jamaica.
And 6
Yeah,
p.m. it
man.
announced official.
Yeah, so Tony, Toya, sorry. Toya, I'm like your mom. Me vote before me start work. Before me come pick up you, me go vote first. That means that when me busy on the road I do pick up.
Don't feel
Polling
good.
station no feel lock and me no get for vote. Because me did have to go on one part run on one place, go make one pick up. No. Before you turn the key if you start pick up and no. Yes, you can if somebody ready and want to come with you upon the first trip there. Down at the polling station, fine. But make sure you vote first. Yeah, man, Kerry, some places are going to be neck to neck, you know. That's fine. And I can tell you now that the strong PNP zone won't have a neck to neck. Clear win. Clear win. So we're gonna say it as is. The JLP seat them is the neck to neck seat. Cause right now we are looking on West Kingston and me feel like we want it back. Me feel like we want back West Kingston. Favour Williams. We don't want her to be no opposition of education. We want her out. So we need a seat there as well. We need a new speaker of the house. So Andrew's wife, that's a PNP seat and we need it back as well.
And we need the old speaker out too.
And well, I'm not reach down there so yet. I'm still up so.
All right.
So the CM Delroy truck, we don't want we don't want labor right control the zone there no more. So we have to put PNP in a Delroy truck seat. Nigel Clark, we need a seat there as well. So people, wanna listen to the sound of my voice, wanna have to go vote because JLP not enough like PNP. JLP numbered, stagnant. So what they're doing now is trying to pay off our fellow Jamaicans to stay home because they know that PNP enough. PNP will leap. In other words, PNP have the country under lockdown right now. And Andrew Holness and his team seat. So don't be feared. Don't be scared, comrade. Them now buy your vote. For you come vote for them, you know. They just want to cripple the PNP blaze. They want to cripple it, they want to tie it down, they want to stop the PNP river from coming down. JLP has never outnumbered PNP. Whenever time Andrew Wallace.
Hold on.
You don't general go take 4 hours. So general.
I stop me, I try stop. Yeah.
Okay. Whenever time Andrew Wallace toured Jamaica, he saw it. So that's why he's telling his followers who love tell and love type, third term, that you have to work for it. You know why Andrew is outlining to his fellow followers them that third term is non-void. You have to work for it. You know why? Because he has done his canvases and he has realized that the People's National Party base wake up.
And him say, oh, him say them do
And him
a poll
say
in
it out of him
2020.
mouth.
Yeah. Continue.
So the people them who love type and say third term, you don't need to go do no homework. And if you do not do the homework, make me do it for you. Because me help me youth with homework, you know. So me have a problem help you as well. Yes, Andrew has said 2 term. He said it should be a limit. You see, them labor right here. Me can't understand them, you know, because I sit back and me relax and me build for my life and me watch you know. I swear to God, me watch you know. I am on those live. I am in the shadows. And I'm paying close attention to you guys. It's like the money sweet uno so much that you guys are blind. Uno love take money so much that you guys are blind. You see, find you nice. You don't care what will happen to Jamaica. I'm on those life. I'm not active on my life, but I needed some tool to work. You guys literally don't know how to operate. You uno just care for yourself. Uno no care about nobody else. Bunty killer tell uno straight. And uno take Bunty words, go through 1 year's country other. Bunty killer say, is the die-hearted labor right them is the biggest problem in the country.
Sure.
Uno too die-hearted. When a PNP with 10 and yard and don't go vote, uno not do it. Uno not do it. How on earth you can operate like that? You see the country has sink, but you not turn on your yard. You not give up on Andrew Wallace. You not give up on Labour Right. You not give up on JLP. What wrong with you now?
And you want to choose Jamaica. And you choose your party over Jamaica.
You literally choose your party over Jamaica. Hello, Sheffield, there is, let me tell you something. 1 p.m. means a lunchtime done. A work time now.
Yeah,
So
1
if
o'clock
you not
lunchtime done.
try Brogard, you try Green Clerks, you try young people, you come with 1 p.m. You mad, me say so, you one set of mad people, you know.
Right, but Nizzle, them try all of that. Yeah? They must can try a better life too. Look at it. You must can try a better life too. You try prosperity right now work.
Me not gonna approve the message. I see somebody post a while ago. Say he hope Mark Golin can provide transportation. And I'm going to say this now. Hope Mark Golin can provide transportation to bring persons to the polling station on the 3rd of September. Let me just address that real quick. I won't approve the message, but I'm going to tell you how we're gonna do it. You see, nomination day, the amount of people with it inner central, we no book everybody. Andrew Wallace don't even realize that he's up against Mark Golin and Jamaica. People no gonna work, put gas in a them car, find we, get cloth, tie up them vehicle, and come join the motorcade. So Mark Golin No have to worry election day. Because people are going to find their way at any polling station and go vote. And if we don't take the people them name, Westmoreland, Dasha, Manchester, the people them want take taxi and me I go Westmoreland for that somebody. And me okay them come and man come vote. So they can't bother dash where they name them all over the place. Because PNP will win, must win, and have to win. You know why? And you know why PNP are going? Because that $400 million, that is million US, that is unaccounted for, must get to the Jamaican. The Jamaican people must learn the truth. Where $3 trillion from their taxpayers' money gone. You hear me? I tell you. Jamaican dollar, the Jamaican money, we're missing. We are going to learn where there. And the only way we are going to know, unless we vote out Andrew Holness. Because he's not telling us. The Integrity Commission, make sure that he tell you, so your Prime Minister move money. Your Prime Minister have unexplained wealth. There is a body put in place to clamp down for criminal with inner a necktie and jacket. And you don't want a system like that because Andrew Holness is your Prime Minister. And you're labor right. So you don't care.
Hold on there. Give me a minute there. Him explain him wealth now, man. Him say him start from 2 taxi.
Yeah.
Yeah. I better him say that than him carry Integrity Commission to court. He said start from 2 taxi.
No. PNP and the Jamaican people want to know how comes 2 taxi turn you into a billionaire? Because me want one of them taxi that run. Chevel. I give one little reasoning, you know. Me and you talk, you know. Because you love Andrew so much, you know. Because maybe you want Andrew catch them too. Because me say enough woman here. Me no grudge him for that, you know. Cause, you know, good sitting there.
Have enough,
Yeah, man. He can't do anything, man. Me no really. Hold on, may I approve that message? Yeah, man. Yeah. He can't do anything, man. We don't care. But Chevel, let's reason. All right. There is 10 illicit person in Parliament currently. Well, Parliament dissolved. So there are nobody now. But there was 10 parliamentarians who take taxpayers' money and enrich themselves. And you are telling me that you are willing to elect these individuals back in Parliament because you are benefiting from it? That's what you're saying to me? You are benefiting from it, so it is okay if these individual thief because the Prime Minister assists you by getting you a job or giving you a house or something or assist your family. Somebody said craving A at the head, at the organization. So Alibaba and the 40 thief. All right, watch me now. You have Petrojam scandal, where that person is running back now in this 2025 election. Petrojam scandal, where that court where can't complete and they can't go to prison because they are power with Andrew Holness, so they can't go to prison. And that person is running back now. You have Royal Reed, which is over $1 billion from the future educational pitney them. And them the people that road a walk free. And every year the court case put off. So it a put off from 2019 till now. So nobody now got no prison. So some of the thief, $1 billion from Jamaican, pitney them money, the educational money. And you are okay with that to elect these individuals again. Me here say over 300 million missing from the pensioners' money. Nobody know where they. But those persons can get elected again because PNP used to thief too. Because most that you come with, PNP used to thief too. So we have to make JLP thief some too. What kind of, me no want to live in them, the Jamaica. There. For your Jamaica spend Jamaica. You know my Jamaica spell? Jamaica. That's the Jamaica I want to live in. Me no want to live in a Funo Jamaica. Funo Jamaica live in a criminality, spell wrong, everything does wrong over that the Jamaica there. Somebody say Craven Aid must go. Yes, him too Craven are the best name he ever get. Me see, Crawford asks him a question. You know, born with no gold spoon in your mouth. Why you take it? You don't even take the gold spoon. You never born with none. Mark Golding born with gold spoon. That is a fact. So his riches don't come from Finsack. Can me see? See, somebody asks if they get elected, we go thief more. What can go so?
What is the Prime Minister new name now?
Eh?
What is the Prime Minister new name now?
Craven
what is his
Aid.
new name? Eh?
Me not call him no doctor.
No, man. What his new name a Damien give him now?
Eh?
After the 2 taxi.
I don't remember. Remind me to tell the people I'm on live.
Pablo Escobar.
Oh, yeah, because Pablo Escobar used 2 taxi and make $5 million a day.
That. Every time him come out, him get a new name, The last time him come out, him get Craven here.
Continue to like the live, peeps.
And now, him get a new one when him come out, come talk about 2 taxi. So, Pablo, I'm new name, man.
Yeah. So, I wish for me there. Continue to like the live, peeps. We're doing well. Get us to 200 views. Yeah, man, a space then taxi they go, man. Space. Thanks for the update. Pablo Escobar is his new name. Real cartel organization. Imaron.
But
no,
when you look into it,
let
I saw
us
the thing around
focus.
for true, Yeah, but continue still. I saw it around like...
Yeah, man, let us continue on the criminality that these persons want to vote on. $3 trillion missing. Can't find. And me have a government we can't tell me where money there. And me fi go vote back for him. Me fi go vote back for him. Do you guys even know how much land in Jamaica get taken away from poor people? Do you guys even know that minimum wage should be way higher than the little 15,000 where you get right now? Did you guys know that we are not growing what we eat and eat what we grow? Did you guys know that only 8% pitney pass the CXC different from last year? When we have so much pick, when school over, the whole place will have picnic. When we have so much picnic in Jamaica, go to school, and can't come out to nothing. And you are there with that for one bag of dunce I left school. You don't want no change for your country? How can you have a prime minister that his wealth is unexplainable and you want to put him back in a seat? What kind of Jamaica you want to live in? What kind of Jamaica you want to live in? Because of your friend? Because you know him? Because you know him people them? If me know somebody we are do something wrong, me not on par with you. I'm sorry, I'm not parring with you. I don't care how long me know you, me just not on par with you. My daughter get 8 subject. I'm so grateful for that. But a bright girl from prep. A bright girl. Be award. Be award everywhere. And even in high school graduation, she have award much. You understand? Yeah man, she did extremely. Take up one of them. Take up one. Yeah? I don't know chatting. You know, I want bright picking. Yeah, yeah. But a whole heap of people can't talk when me talk now in Jamaica. Them disappointed. Here's somebody that say a turkey neck cheaper than chicken. Andrew was never for the poor, Kerry. Andrew was never for the poor. All right. Let's proceed. Continue to like the live peeps and share it. Yeah. We have our economy is minus, meaning that we are borrowing from the bank right now and I rotate back the money in our country because the country now produce enough income right now. Unemployment is high and they come every day to talk about unemployment is low. It's a lie. Check nomination day. The coach people out. Where are the work? Let me just be clear. I'm a comrade, but I'm also a Jamaican. And if I wasn't at PNP, I would vote for the PNP this time around. Why? Because first, Andrew tell me say a 2-term one prime minister must do. Andrew tell me say if me vote for him a go make prime minister limit. Limit to 2 term. So why him a run down 3 term? Somebody say Andrew must go by any means. I'm talk earlier upon the live. Andrew must go. Andrew have to go. Andrew can't stay in there. Andrew cannot stay in office. We need to know what deals were made Because me say some deal make. Me say some deal make with homosexual. So allegedly, me want know if the country gone to homosexual. Because obviously, Andrew not addressing it and tell his followers. Say, listen to me. You know, so me make a move. I mean, sign 2 pieces of paper and collect a piece of money for homosexual get them forward in Jamaica. The Prime Minister of Jamaica now tell me. So me want vote in somebody else to go tell me if something goes off with you. Me want know. I don't know about you, you know. All the labor rights them and the JLP followers them, the man them me a talk to. The man them me a talk to. Somebody say Andrew will get 5 term. You mean the 5 year when just do? Because he's the first Prime Minister to do 5 year flat, you know. Everybody else cut it short, you know. Everybody else call an early election, you know. He's the first Prime Minister to do 5 year flat. So it's must the 5 year you attack. Or 5 prison term. It could never be.
And give me a minute. Give me a minute. What about the people who wants to know about the sex offenders list? What about the people who want to know about the remaining illicit 8 or 9 or 10? What about the people who want to know the amount of corruption that was taking place in this government? There are silent majorities. All the mothers who cry for their children, who shot and killed and alive, they are all silent majority. All of the people who are waiting for transparency, they are all silent majority, my boss. Continue.
Perfect. Yeah, somebody post, say Andrew will get 110 year, you know, in prison. Yeah. So basically, we want to know what go on. Somebody say Andrew 3rd term, look, boy, I don't know. You guys see me a reason. And you guys not even trying to win some new voters. On now rebut against nothing what me I say. You know why? You know it's true. Because you are on the live now, you see 100 people there, so some young voters must there. Some undecided voters must there. You have some people in the far you page that listen, some labor rights, some JLP supporters. And then one year some facts say, all right, when is the attack, a lie ma tell. A lie ma tell. Not no go so. None of you can come here so can say, allow me to tell. All you can type ho and say, 3rd term loading. 3rd term loading, 1 p.m. You think the people who got the polling station go vote for 3rd term loading, 1 p.m. People need to know facts. People need to learn the truth. People want to hear the truth. So what is the truth? And where are the facts? Somebody say I move 1.4 million a year out of NHTE. You see it? 100 Wellness Street. Somebody just posted in the comment section that he's removing 11.4 million a year from the NHT. And you don't want to rebut against that. You don't want to challenge what that person is saying. Andrew is never for the poor. You know what says on labor right now no sense neither. Because go looking at their constituency. All of the die-hearted constituency, them were controlled by labor right. Looking at them. Just go over there, go looking at them. Step cross, go over there, go looking at them. See, somebody has said, no fully done. You have voted for one MP for 4 terms, and he don't do nothing for you. Yes, PNP is the biggest thief, but can you tell me where PNP thief? First of all, me need upon Mark Golding and the Finsack. When you say Mark Golding and Finsack boss, Mark Golding got his riches from his family bloodline. Right now, Mark Golding is legally rich, making almost 50 million yearly, legally. Somebody say move 11 billion from NHT. Somebody say labor right is the worst. So when you now speak about my leader, naturally, legally rich, and certified by the Integrity Commission every single year with God send. And when 2026 come, when he's Prime Minister, he will also do another integrity report. He will also complete another one. 2027 he will complete another one. And 2028 as the Prime Minister is also going to complete another one. Andrew can't do that.
No.
Tell him to do that and beat my Prime Minister. Tell Andrew to come do a press conference and tell the Jamaican people them how he's one of the richest man right now in Jamaica. How did he become one of the richest man right now in Jamaica? Tell him to do that and beat Mark Golding. Andrew is a billionaire. And he didn't enter politics as a billionaire. Somebody say a 2 taxi in use. Underneath the top. Look how me attack.
And let me ask you a question.
Somebody said JLP normalize corruption. PNP, see me talk to one again. You need to go out and vote. Somebody asks why I'm yelling. I have to talk loud. Because it look like when you whisper, JLP no hear. Them only can find time to type 1 p.m. And 3rd term loading and 100 wellness. Nobody no have no time to go tell me say a liar tell and decide truth. Mr. Green, come on now, man. We over here, so we have sense in. They can't fool we. We have sense. There's no way on earth 2 taxi can turn Andrew Holness in a billionaire. That's a lie. Because he mess up the taxi man them where they. You see, all the taxi man them in Jamaica, we are run round with Andrew Holness now, no sense. The taxi man them now no sense. Uno have amnesia. Uno have bipolar. You guys don't remember nothing. And uno not understand what is coming. Uno not see it. The man them are gonna make the bus rural system destroy uno. It are gonna destroy Knoxford. We spend billions of dollars to create their industry and their business. Somebody say must speak louder. You hear me? All the taxi man them in Jamaica should never vote Labour right. None of you. All if you're born Labour right, you should never vote Labour right. Alright, watch out now. You see how we attack, and the person only can say a bad mind we have. So you all tell me, say no. So you're prime minister, use 2 vehicles and become a billionaire, and a bad mind me have. You don't have no look sitting in your back of your head. We are tell you say something no right, yeah, so. You don't have none of them look sitting there. You know more time, you're up on the ends, and that look sitting there coming in your head. Yeah. You don't have none of that look sitting there. We make you burn the weed, or you burn a cigarette, or you drink a one frost, you say, yeah. That look sitting there coming in your head and say, boy, sitting right, yeah, so you know. Yes, let's jump on the sellout now, because they always say PG sellout Jamaica. First of all, PG did not sell JPS. Somebody post say, I'm wasting my time. Mark Golding can't run Jamaica. Mark Golding been running his businesses, and they all are successful. Mark Golding was a successful, what do you call it now? Lawyer. He was a successful minister of he was a
Justice.
justice. Thank you very much. Yeah, man, I said, yeah. And was a successful banker. Mark Golding.
And the best legislature Jamaica never seen.
All right. Come on, man. You know, help me out, man. Because them there, you know, them a listen. All right. Mark Golding also is a family man. Him not coming like Andrew and his wife over there so, and Andrew over there so. No time at all. Real family man. Make sure I'm picking them come up good and everybody all right. Real family man. How Mark Golding become a gang leader now? Explain. The people them are watching and they're listening. Can you explain to us how Mark Golding is a gang leader? We're listening. You can go ahead. And PNP can read, so you can type it. Type it. Because Andrew said you come over here with one, where you call it now? Andrew said you come over here with one script. And you can't go beyond that script, you know. You have to say what is on the script. Yeah. So, go ahead, we're listening. Where you say Mark Golding on bird paper? Well, I mean, I tell you, say you guys are so down. The man come publicly shown in bird paper. He was born in Jamaica. He was grew up here in Jamaica. Yeah, Andrew said him as a spy.
Just ask them if them they ask to say Siaga won. And the argument done.
No, they not go go down in a Siaga package because as you can see, these are young people. All Labour right no contact foolishness. Thanks for joining the team. All Labour right don't contact foolishness. These are young people. Young Labour rights. Because if you notice, it's like an AI, you know. Only one thing they can write. So they are reading from the script. And they can't go beyond the script. Continue to like the live, peeps. Mark Golding was born in Jamaica, grew up in Jamaica, got school in Jamaica, go study and come back, and go study and come back again, and come be a lawyer as a professional lawyer. And he was successful in that field as well. Thanks for the gift. So when it come on to Mark Golding, he is no comparison to Edward Siaga. We're born in a Boston and come grow up in a Jamaica. He didn't born on Jamaica soil, and no Labour can confirm that. And Mark Golding have 2 last names.
And
You're
that's why
saying, well, I know, me glad him touch the point here. Because me straight like arrow, you know. If you notice for me live, you know. If you notice me, you don't see me on other platform, you know. Me, different. Me straight like arrow. So let us proceed. Yeah. Yeah, say, then train us to be fish. Everybody know me in a real life, no say, me a real gallus. Me might have changed now because I find a very beautiful woman I try to settle along with, yeah? Yeah. I might change now, yeah? But then everybody know my style and everybody know me, yeah? So let us proceed. Let's speak about the fish them now. Did you know that your party keep a gay party every year? Your party and when PNP come out with the secret and spread it well worldwide, it look like the party they top keep. Did you even know that? No, I'm not paying attention to no wrong comment. I'm not blocking anyone. We are answer them. Yeah. Did you know that your prime minister know when you there say 1 p.m. pass a law in 2022 in a Jamaica for the gay community? Look where you going. The same man, PJ Pattinson, where you are say was the biggest Batman. Did you know that that man did not sign the law where Andrew Wallace signed? Did you know that Portia Simpson Miller did not sign it? Your prime minister was the first prime minister to sign that bill. And when we win, we are going to show you the truth. When we win, we are going to show you the truth. The gay community is legal in Jamaica right now. Right now as we speak. Legal. Who is in power? And who made that possible? So if you straight, like Arrow, why are you voting for Andrew Wallace? Why? We would love to know why are you voting for him. Let us go over in the market, please. Him not know, enough. I can bet you he did not know that this thing is legal right now in school. He don't even know. This thing is legal right now in school. Who is in power? And you can't rebut against that. All you can say is one prime minister. Well, me know say Mark Golding is the next one. So you can keep that one there. Keep that one there, man. Because Mark Golding will be the next prime minister of Jamaica. And let me tell you something. One by one, they are going to jail. One by one, they are going to jail. You think your vote can tap Mark Golding from become prime minister? Mark Golding is unstoppable. He is unstoppable. Debbie, he cannot educate these youngsters. He cannot educate these youngsters, you know. Because guess what? They're blind by money. With Obia. You say, where they go there like Yangle? And a sprinkle oil. But good shall prevail. Good shall prevail over evil any day, anytime, anywhere. My God will make sure say Mark Golding win. The God Almighty is going to make sure say Mark Golding win. Blood and fire. Amen. Nads, Jesus will cover us. Jesus will cover us. Jesus will give us victory. Because blood and fire, comrades, we are sick and tired of the labor rights. You're talking about God is not confusing and not a confusing God? Andrew, same Assembly Adventist, but Dark Coco made a church. I get prayer. And him confused. How we feel mad out when Andrew there in a Knockpatrick, I walk up and down 12 o'clock at night. In a Central. How PNP fear mad out when Mark Golding go in bed go sleep at night time. Mark Golding only roam the street a day. Mark Golding roam the street a day. So how man they up hours a night when Mark Golding asleep and we bad mind him and me not understand. Like just attack, but you guys are crazy. You guys are crazy. You talk about me hurt. Let's proceed. Let us go to the marketplace, you know. We realize, say, the market is gone to the dogs. Food them a spoil for the people them now because guess what, be a foreign sitting. So you know have no long time to spend in a market no more. Be a foreign sitting. When you go to the supermarket and buy something them and carry come in your fridge, they spoil. We not grow nothing good again. We not grow nothing good. Nothing good now grow in Jamaica again. We serve us and preserve us for a long period of time. Me not understand how comes persons can live in Jamaica and want to allow us to live like this continuously. We need to get back agriculture up and running again. We need to get agriculture up and running again because guess what? Thanks, moderator. Twitch, what's up? We need to get agriculture up and running again so that we can start get some nice, clean vegetable. Eh? We can't have the local poor people them decide local cabbage and them the rich people like broccoli. No. We want some broccoli too. We want some broccoli. We want to eat some nice, clean vegetable where tastes nice and fresh. So we need our farmers to get up and running again. Let me give you something from the manifesto. We are going to improve on that. We are going to make sure that our farmers is in good hands. So all of the young farmers them right now, all of the elder man right now, because I know you have little bit of strength left in our own. I just 2 weeks left for the election. You have little bit of strength left in now. You just give us a chance, man. All of the young farmers them, all of the middle age and the whole farmers them, give us a chance. Me I beg you, because help is coming. Powerful help is coming. Great help is coming. We are going to bring back agriculture. Let me just leave it there. We are going to bring it back. So you can plant. And guess what? we will also have a loan for you as the farmer. So if you don't have no van for transport your goods, you can get a loan. If you want to kick off your farming and you don't have no money, but you have a land, we can get you up and running. If you feel like you want to turn a farmer, but you don't have no land, just locate the land and give us a call. We are going to help you. We are going to find that, go find the land and come tell we. And once it